Hello, hope you're doing good. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to build a website on Wix for a content creator. In my opinion, Wix is the best website builder around. With Wix, you'll be able to create your website in no time, and make it look professional, and you can get started for completely free. So you're going to go onto wix.com. From there, you can sign up using your email address. Once you have signed up, you will be redirected to a page just like this. And you're going to tap on Set Up Without Chat. And by the way, if you wanted to create your website using their AI feature, you can tap on Start Chat. But I recommend, if this is your first time, that you tap on Set Up Without Chat, as this will give you more option to customize your website to your liking. Once here, you can type in whatever type of website you would like to create. So for example, depending on the company or so on, you could type it in right there. But since we're a content creator, we're just going to type in content creator portfolio. You could also select blog. And the reason why you enter the type of website that you want to create, after doing that, Wix will give you a few suggestions that you can use. Once you have done that, you're going to enter in your website name. So for example, I'm just going to call it content. Then you're going to tap on continue. After selecting continue, you can choose your goals, whether it is to sell products, collect leads, share knowledge, offer services, or so on. You can select whichever one of these options best suits you. So I'm going to be selecting share knowledge and promote myself. And I'll also be displaying creative work and building a community. So I'm going to tap on continue. Once you have done that, you can see the recommended apps right here. So the first option will be the portfolio app, which you'll be able to use to display your work. And I'll also be selecting blog, so I can write information that I can share with my fans. You can scroll down and you can see that you can also add the Instagram feed. So by adding Instagram feed, you'll be able to display your pictures and video from Instagram. And another thing that I would recommend that you add as a content creator is video. So with the video plugin, if it is a case that you would like to sell videos, you can do that by selecting video. You can also choose to stream videos using Wix by selecting this. And if it is a case that you plan on selling music, or any type of audio track, you could select music. You can also use Wix to create online programs or courses by selecting online program. And you can also scroll down and you could select file share. It all depends what type of content you are creating and what is your goal. But with Wix Website Builder, you can reach your goal. It doesn't matter. You can select any one of these or all of them if you want. Once you're finished, you're going to tap on continue, then select continue to dashboard. After selecting continue to dashboard, what I want you to do next is you're going to go over to the left hand menu option, and from here you can see a few things. For example, the first thing, you could go onto portfolio. Once on portfolio, this is where you'll be able to display your work. So it all depends what type of content creator you are. For example, you have a suggestion right here, food styling, recipe videos, or so on. You can select any one of these options and you could tap on next, and then from there you could continue your upload. Or you can tap on skip and you can quickly upload from your computer, as you can see right there. Or you can choose to set it up with AI. Once you're finished, so I could tap on setup without AI, better yet. Then after doing that, I can tap on add project in the top right hand corner. You could input your project name, then description, and from there you could display your work. Now, if it is a case that you would like to sell or display video, you would hover over video library from the left hand menu option. From here, you're going to be redirected to this page and you can tap on upload video. And let me upload a random video just for this example sake. So let's find a video real quick. So let's say, for example, this right here. Now, once you have uploaded the video, you're going to simply close the pop-up. You can see it is being uploaded right there. You could tap on the pencil that says edit video. You can edit the video title. You can write publish by. You can add categories and tags and description. And you can also change the cover image or thumbnail right here. Then you can choose whether you'd like to offer this video for free or you would like your subscribers to pay. So you can tap on paid, then you could set the price, and you can also suggest whether you like it to be able to download or not. And you can also offer video rent, so you can do that right there. So there are numerous options that you can use. Now let's say you don't want to sell videos. All you would need to do is create a blog. You can tap on blog, and from here you can tap on posts, or you can tap on create new posts in the top right hand corner. And you can create your post and share it. You can also use the Wix AI feature by tapping on AI tools from the bottom left hand corner, and you can use it to create blogs, or you can use it to give you suggestions if you want. Now once you're finished adding your information, you're going to tap on setup in the top left hand corner. Then you're going to tap on design site in the top right hand corner. After doing that, you're going to tap on pick a template. Once you have done that, you'll be redirected to this page, and you can see numerous themes that you can choose from. Once you have found a theme that you like, so let's say for example this one, you can tap on edit. Then you'll be redirected to a new page. On this new page, you'll now be able to edit how your website appears. And this is one of the major standout features when it comes onto Wix Website Builder, as it is beginner friendly and completely easy to use. All of the features are simply drag and drop. And when I dive in, you will see what I mean. So first, you could use their AI to create content for you by simply typing in some information, describing the type of website you have, and tapping on generate site text. Normally I would close that. Then I would tap on the plus 50% in the top right hand corner. By doing this, I'll be able to get a better view of my website. Now to start editing, you can tap on the text, and from there you can start typing. You can tap on edit text and you can start making your changes just like that. Any section at all that you would like to change, you can simply tap on it, then tap on quick edit, and you can change, for example, let's say I would like to change the name right here. I could do that just like that. You can edit each section quickly. That is the beautiful thing about Wix. You can edit each section, and if you would like to add section, you can see that it is quite easy. Just tap on add section, then go over to the left hand menu option, and you can choose the section that you would like to add. And by the way, if it is a case that you would like to add text, music, anything at all, you can tap on the plus in the top left hand corner, and you can see the different elements, and you can simply drag and drop it. So whether it is a case that you would like to start collecting, if that is the case, you can hover over payments, and you could add a PayPal button, and you'll be able to collect money using Wix for free. You can also use it to collect donation by creating a donation form. So as you can see right there, it is beginner friendly and easy to use. And let's say, for example, with your content creation, you would like to, for example, set up a membership website. You can also use Wix to do that. All you would need to do once on Wix right here, you can go over to the left hand menu option, tap on the 4 dots that says add apps. After you have done that, you're going to be redirected to the App Store. On the App Store, you're going to tap on search apps, and from here you can type in either membership or you can type in subscription. So you have two options. I'm going to select subscription. After selecting subscription, from here you could select the Wix pricing plan, and with this you'll be able to offer membership and subscription, as you can see right here, which you can set up with different tiers. All you'll need to do is tap on add to site, and that's it. Then you can set it up. Once you're finished, you're going to tap on publish in the top right hand corner, and your website will now be live. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.